This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the portal and network ready. Update firmware, charge the device, and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, sign into your PlayStation Network account so the portal can access services and paired devices. Make sure your home console is either powered on or in rest mode and connected to the same PSN account. This allows content discovery and streaming handoff. If you prefer lower lag, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, but a reliable 2. 4 GHz works for standard video playback. Now open the YouTube app on the portal. Go to Home, select Media or Library, and launch YouTube. You'll be prompted to sign in, use the on-screen code Flow with your phone for quick linking, or enter credentials directly. Grant permissions only if you plan to use voice search or video uploads. Once signed in, adjust playback quality and settings depending on bandwidth. Lower quality reduces buffering. Use the portal's directional controls for navigation and the PS button to toggle back to the console if you need other apps. To watch, select a video and use the portal's playback controls, play, pause, skip, and the options menu for captions and quality. If a video won't load, try signing out and back into YouTube or link your account again from a mobile device. Casting from your phone can be a quick workaround. If buffering persists, restart the portal, rejoin your Wi-Fi network, and power cycle the router. That usually clears transient connectivity issues. If problems continue, check console rest mode or full power status, and repeat the sign in steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.